Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to increase page margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. First line says on page margin. Dragging your mouse, select your page. Now select file option and select here page setup option and selected content already selected and make it to bottom to left to right also and select OK and see this page margin already says and increases. Also, I'll increase whole document page margin page setup and select your whole document. I'll make it 2.5, bottom 2.5, left 2.5, right also 2.5. Now simply select OK and see this whole document top, bottom, left, right, margin are now same. Yeah, this is and margin already increases. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.